Happy Friday, you trader nerds. How are y'all? It is a great day in the market, y'all. We have predicted that we are going to slide down because what's going to happen is your institutional players, right? And you see, we do have elevated volume, are going to get out of the market. They're going to start going short. They're going to get out. They're going to go to safety. They're going to go to bonds. They're going to do whatever. But what's going to happen is the market is going to slide as soon as we realize that Papa Joe and that the Fed is also telling us stuff to keep the market pumped up. They're telling us that inflation is going away. They're telling us that that we're going to be fine and all of this, and we're not. We're not, y'all. So what's happening is institutions will start to get out and we will start to slide down. Now, eventually, once we get a major correction, well, let's say maybe 10%, which would be a good, healthy correction for us, then that's when Joe Key Public says, oh my God, I gotta get out, the market's going down. So everybody will get upset, and then it may end up into a 15 or 20% correction. So we think that's on the horizon. Right. That's what we think is going to happen. So VIX is all the way up to 18. Now, remember, it initially hurts us. It hurts our positions. So we're going to show you how we handle pain today, how to handle pain in your positions, because the positions are absolutely safe. Now, let's look. Remember, this doesn't catch us by surprise, right? Here's our day right here. We know that this is support and resistance. We've gone down below that. And we would think that probably in the short term, 51.14, 51.15 is going to be support. So we'll see. I would say that we'll probably bounce between here and here to fill these areas of no volume. Nature doesn't like vacuums. Nature doesn't like black holes. So we tend to fill these areas. So we would anticipate a snapback into this area. Now, very interesting on the linear regression. I've drawn a couple of lines here. You see what we had was up, 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 up. Let's just draw those. Let's kind of draw this line here. Upward, upward, upward. Everybody can follow along with that. And then let's follow the lines to the downside on the down part of this that look like up, 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 up. Everybody see that? Pretty good little line. So we had a moment of uptrend. Then we also had consolidation. Consolidation leads to an outbreak. We break out. Oh, come here, little feller. So we have periods of consolidation that are normally followed by periods of expansion or periods where the market goes down. So watch this carefully. Now we have a clear pocket of expansion or of a consolidation. We did up, 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 consolidation, up, consolidation. Now, this is about to make another move. Now, you notice the last time we consolidated, we were at the bottom of the consolidation channel, and it decided that it wanted to go up. It will be interesting to see if this consolidation pattern, if we intend on going up or down. Now, I'm going to say that I believe if you look at this, just draw this, it may be a pattern where we see the consolidation is forming a little area where we're going to go down significantly farther. That's what I think you have to play for. And that's what I'm playing for. So consolidation, this is still in the consolidation channel, but it looks like we've already created in this consolidation channel a channel that the market is definitely decreasing. So let's just kind of keep an eye on this. We'll leave these markings on our linear regression just to see what happens. But consolidation normally leads to a breakout, and the breakout may have already started, and it may be the downside. We'll see in the coming days, right? We'll see in the coming days. See this volume increasing? Market down. What has volume done? Volume Where's my little drawing things, y'all? Unbelievable. Let me draw another one here. Volume, here it is. Volume has gone up. See this? Market down, volume increasing, more participants increasing to the downside. I believe it leads to more price action to the downside. But what do I know? I'm just an old college professor and a father of five. That's all I am. I have no idea. Boy, we're getting hit today. Let's look at the mega account today and just see how we're doing. Okay. So let's do the mega account and let's see what the net lick is. I have to look at it on my phone now. Let's see. Net lick on the phone is we are at, y'all give me a second. Everybody having a good day? I'm having a great day. So let's see what we're at. We're at 287, 341. 287, 341. Let's put that in. 287, 341. 287, 287, 341. That doesn't look right. Looks like we'd be less than that. 287, 341. And today we're up 100,000, 150,000. No, not really, because I put another $100,000 into the account. So this would make this be 287, 189, 287, 189. And today is the 12th, 4/12, 24. So let's look. So we're up 3.84%. That doesn't look right. 287, 341. Let me close this down and open it back up and see if that's the same number it's giving me. Because it says we're down like $3,000 or $4,000 today. So let's just see. Y'all give me a second. All right, let me log back in. Come here, little baby. So here we're at, I think this is right. Let's see. Let me change this. Let me change. Where's my thing at? Oh, here we are. Settings, accounts, net lick. I think it's less. And I'd rather tell y'all exactly the truth. 282, that's more like it. 282,827. 282,827. That's more like it. 282,827. You're saying, Bobby, my God, man, you just lost $4,300. Indeed, I did. Let's look and see if I'm scared. So let's go. VIX is at 18 today. So our little bitty Greeks and ratios are 459.57. 459.57. Let's put that in. 459.57. 57. I can't believe my data is down that far. Okay, 18. And our buying power is positions, 98.27. 98.27. So we're doing good as far as our thing because we want to be under 50%, right? So we want to be under 50%. Let's see what my position sizing went to since I added another $100,000 to the account. So it says I can put on 1.56 trades per week. Well, y'all, I'm going to tell you something. In a week, on a day when the market is down, how much is the market down today? 1.42%. Y'all, that is a fantastic time to put on a trade. Now, let's see if any of our trades need correcting or taken off. Let's look at these here. Auto close date. Nothing says to auto close. So what we should do is put on a little trade here. So let's do a 111 today. So let's do ES. Let's do 1. Don't let these markets scare you. Just know what you're doing. 23. All right, so let's go and let's see. Trade ES. This is one of my put debit spreads that expires in 8 days. Look, we're not even close to being in the money, y'all. Not even close. I need the market to move down, but I need it to move down slowly, not too fast. Just go down slow. So let's do trade. Let's do table. Let's do 120 days. So we got 126 days. and let's sell us something that's a 10 delta. Wow. Now look, what we sold as a 10 delta yesterday is now a 13 delta. Wonka, wonka. And here, this has become a 10 delta. So let's go and sell that for $34.75. We're going to try 35. So $35 going once. Come on, little baby. There we go. Oh my gosh. I got two fields. Only sold one contract. So we sold the 44.50 for $35. 44.50, $35. Let's put that in. 44.50 for $35. And what was this? 100 and something days? What was it, 126 days? Yeah. 126 days. And those are puts. And this is a naked, and we did it on 4/12/24. So brought in $1,700. Let's buy us a put debit spread. Yes. All right. So we're going to do one. We're going to do this PDS 23. And where are we going to put him? Let's see. Go up here, right, to about a 25 delta. So we're going to buy the 49.50, and we're going to do the 4,900, 49.50, 965. There we go. Oh, why am I getting two fills like that? Strange. Am I doing this in two accounts or am I trading it in one? You sure? Yeah, one account. So I did the 49.50 for 965. 49.50, 965. 49.50, 965. And puts debit spread 126, 4/12/24. All right, let's go look at my Greeks and ratios again. Y'all, now it says that I need 35 short deltas to have my deltas right. Okay, I need some short deltas to make my deltas right. And it says I need short of 35. Now, I may, hold on a second. Let's see what we want to do here. Let's go put these in. PDS positions, ES M4. So ESU4, here we go. So this is PDS, was it 23? PDS 23, naked put 23. PDS 23, naked put 23. So let's put him in naked put 23, NP 23, and then this is PDS 23. PDS 23, let's say PDS 23. Okay, now y'all, we have a theta in our long hedges are increasing. That is true. And why your short theta is going down. That's why your short theta is going down. Okay, I agree with you. So now let's see what we got going on here. My deltas are a little high. My theta is a little low, right? Now we could take off positions. Let's see this again. Yeah, our theta is low because of those hedges that we put on. But now we've listed our theta. And remember, and Hal's not here today, I don't think, but Hal would remind us, Bobby, those hedges are fake negative theta. Or fake negative theta. Your theta is actually higher than what you've got here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not comfortable with the deltas risk that I have at 459. Yesterday we were 319. Now we're at 459. But it says we only need 35 negative deltas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to short a future. Now, where do you get that from? What's this? Let's go to our little thing here. Portfolio adjustments. If anything is out of line, what can you do? You can close profitable positions. You can roll losing positions. I'm not going to do that because that's going to decrease my theta. My theta already looks, puny as it is. We could sell calls, God forbid. We could sell futures to reduce deltas and buying power. So, I can get 50 short deltas by selling an MES contract. So let's just do that. Let's just sell one contract to get my deltas a little bit closer to where I want them to be. So all you do to do that is go /MES, and we're going to click. You can do the bid or the ask. So we're going to sell one. So if we're selling, we're going to get less, right? So short an option, -1, and I'm going to just put that in. It's going to give me $2,500 of credit. It's going to be short delta, and let's put that on. So my deltas are 492. This should be, look at there, y'all, 441. It gave me 50 short deltas. So now let's put our things in. 441.86, 441.86, 86. All right. And it says we're still at -17 deltas. That's fine because we put on a new trade. All right. Now let's close this one. Let's look at the other account, make sure we're okay over here. So let's look at the other account and let me see what my net lick is in it. So on this one, we're at 44,139, 44,139. So we indeed have dropped $1,200, y'all, from the 10th. Wow. Waka waka. 4, 12, 24. Okay. So let's go to Greats and Ratios. Let's go put him up here. So which one is this? It's the 440 right here, I guess. Yeah. Let's take this off. Let's do it here. Make sure that's the only one we're looking at. So here we go. We are going 145.98, 145.98, 98. And VIX we said was at 18. And buying power usage is, let's see, positions 19,865. 19,865. Good. So we're at 45%. Everything looks really good. Let's see how big our deltas are. 145. It says we need 79 short deltas. So let's see what we got going on. Let's see if any of our trades need adjusting. Look for the auto trade signal. Now, remember, here's the problem. We haven't been keeping up with these until lately, right? So I don't think that we need to put on a position today. Yeah, everything looks really good. I think we're in a holding pattern here. Now, what you could do is see, is anything at a 30 delta? I don't think so. Let's go look at the trade tab. Let's look at our MES positions. We've got things here at 19 days to go. Let's see what we got here. We've got, oh, we had something. Where's my put debit spreads? There we go. There's a put debit spread, not even close to being in the money. And there's another put debit spread. And that's it. Nothing to go. Let's go out a little bit longer. Next, we've got some 35-day positions. Let's see if there's anything that we can do here. Where's our put debit spreads? There's 3, not even close to being in the money. There's 4, not even close to being in the money. There's 3, not even close. We got some nakeds. Look at here that are 2% probability of being in the money. 4150s with 35 days. 275 at 35 days. Look at all these at 35 days. Let's check our nakeds at 35 days. So let's go positions. MES 4, 35 days. Here we go. We've got 3800s at 86% profit. We've got these 4 at 84% profit. These are put debit spreads. This one is at 73% profit. Do y'all see? Do you see how great this is? Now, y'all, what I'm going to do is just to take off a little bit of delta risk. I mean, I got things at 86% profit, y'all. Look at this. At 35 days, I'm going to take off these 3800s at 86% profit. First of all, let me check my Greeks and ratios one more time. So Greeks and ratios, I'm up here. I'm really good on that. I mean, I can get rid of some of my theta, y'all. Look at that. Man, this is great. Yeah, this is a perfect. This is exactly where I want to be. Look at this, 20% theta, 98. Yeah. Let's just take one of those off though. So let's go and take these 3800s off, close position, 2. So we took those off. I don't know why it's beeping twice. That's crazy. So we took those off at field at filled those at 210, 3800s. Let's find those. 3800s at 210s. I did not have them on here yet. That's fine. Let's take maybe one more off just to take some profit so we can go to Applebee's, which I ate lunch at today. And I must say it was excellent. I had a full rack of ribs with their dumpling sauce on the side. It's delicious. All right. So let's go back to positions. Let's go back to those 35 dayers. And we've got these 3900s at 84.6%. Rack 'em, Jack. Close those, all 4 of them at about 240. Let's do them at 245. Bump it up just a little. And we are out. How about that? That's how you do it, y'all. This is portfolio management. And once you grasp portfolio management and just taking risk off when you need to, I mean, guys, the sky's the limit for y'all. So now we're at 142.89. Let's see what that looks like. 142.89. We dropped our deltas a little bit. Yeah, we dropped our theta a little bit. Big deal. Isn't that great? And which ones were those that I just closed last? Make sure it wasn't on my thing here. I'll close the 3900s. I don't think we were recording those back then. Let's make sure we don't have any 3900s. No. So we're good. Everybody good? Now, I'll tell you what I might do. I may put on another hedge to the downside just to have me a little hedge on. So why don't we spend a little money, put a little hedge on. Let's say how many hedges. Well, that's not right because we haven't been keeping up with them, right? We don't know how many we got. It says we got 21 shorts and 15 longs. That's not good. So I could put on a little bit of a hedge to the downside, but I don't think so. I think I'm good. I like where my Greeks are. I like where my Greeks are. That's 442. I'm at 89. I got 20.2% in theta. That's really where I want to go. And I'm at 45% buying power. Beautiful. All right. Guys, we are going into Muscadine Mafia section. However, I have to make a phone call. So it'll be a few minutes. I'll post the link in a little bit and we'll be ready to go. Y'all have a good day. I'll see you in Muscadine Mafia. Y'all be good. Have a great weekend.